Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this simple and a small project is design here and all process is learn here one by one and a step by step learn here all process and all method is learn here. Okay, and this section is all multi-section view and again select a this is a isometric view is created here. Okay, this is a isometric view is designed here and this designing product is very beautiful and very looking nice here, and this is a use a home use and this very useful and very workful. Okay, this is a very useful and helpful. Okay, this project is designed here all method is learn here. Okay, okay, okay guys, let's start here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative set metal design and a new part is created here. Okay, select a any plane and position a sketch is okay, swipe and reverse vertical and click okay. Okay, and at first click draw a any circle and mention any dimension is 220 is correct, 220 millimeter is correct, and exit. Okay, at first select this set metal parameters because all command is not activated, and click at first this set metal parameters, then all command is activated, and this is a variable, this is a value is change here, this is a variable, and thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and okay. Okay, this is a wall definition box is pop up. Okay, and select this circle and direction is downward. Okay, okay, this sheet is created here and this thickness is 1 millimeter and bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, 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 next point is created here, this face is select here, and okay, this sketch is hide because this right click and this is a show, this all circle line is showing here, and click this face and position a sketch select here. Okay, and swipe and reverse vertical and click OK, and use a this offset command is used here and anywhere select here, and this is a correct, and okay, this value is minus 11 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and click exit. Okay, and select a this surface stamp is click here. Okay, at first click this boundary and angle is 90 degree and this height is 100. Okay, this preview is showing here, and okay, okay, and height is 100 millimeter and this first radius is 6 millimeter and second radius is a okay 14 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is looking perfect. Okay, again select this height is 140 millimeter is correct, preview is showing here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is looking very nice. Okay, and select this 15 is better. Okay, okay, and this shading with edge without smooth edge. Click here, and this is a boundary is draw here, and is some use a teardrop command is used, and this length is 2 millimeter, and again 2 millimeter is radius. Okay, and select okay, this select this boundary. Okay, at first this line is hide. Okay, and again teardrop is select here, and this is a length is 2 millimeter, and this radius is again 2 millimeter, and first upper side is line is click here, and preview is showing here. This is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this boundary is a looking perfect, and all is correct, and use a material. This is a shading with material. Okay, this is a correct, and material is used here, and metal, and use a steel. Okay, steel is correct, and okay, right click and property is a this is a okay, reflectivity is very high, and use a this meeting room, and this color is very looking perfect, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and isometric view is nice here, and again isometric view is correct. Okay, this is zoom. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and back side is also looking perfect, and this is a okay, this body is a perfect. Okay, 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 guys, all process is learn here, and this is a small and beautiful project. All process and all method is learn here, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.